We are pleased to show you the 2020 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, trip computer, compass, fog lights, clock, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, satellite radio. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.